What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ultimate small shop before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ultimate small shop works. What is Ultimate Small Shop? At its core, Ultimate Small Shop is a comprehensive digital guide and course designed to help you build a professional woodworking workshop from scratch without spending a fortune or needing a giant space. Created by Ralph Chapman, a woodworking expert with over 25 years of hands-on experience, this guide is a treasure trove of knowledge distilled from decades of trial, error, and success. It covers everything from assessing your workspace and budget to selecting the essential tools you actually need and discovering where to buy them for rock-bottom prices. But it's more than just a list of tools, it's a strategic plan. You get proven workshop layouts tailored for small spaces, smart storage solutions to keep your tools organized, and practical tips to make your shop efficient and safe. Whether you're starting with a cramped garage corner or a small spare room, this guide ensures you can have a fully functional shop that inspires creativity and productivity. How does Ultimate Small Shop? The power of Ultimate Small Shop lies in its structured, step-by-step approach that removes all confusion and guesswork. First, it helps you evaluate your available space and budget realistically. You're then guided through a series of modules covering every essential aspect of shop setup from layout planning and tool selection to purchasing strategies and workflow optimization. What truly sets this guide apart is the access it provides to a secret network of suppliers offering deep discounts and even free or nearly free lumber and tools. Combined with the exclusive deal alert service that sends timely notifications about limited time offers, this ensures you'll never miss a chance to save big. The guide's clear instructions and layout plans mean you can immediately put the advice into action, saving weeks or months of trial and error. It's designed to fit your pace and needs, whether you want to set up your entire shop in a weekend or build it up gradually.